What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Yeah, we're back. Nike Clearance Center. Let's go see what's up. It's Wednesday. It is Wednesday. You guys should be getting this video if you guys watch it the day it gets released. You guys should be getting it the next morning. So yeah, let's see what's up, you guys. So it is Wednesday. They don't always have sales. And it looks like it's one of those days with no sales. I haven't seen this place with no sale in like a long time. It's going to be interesting to see what these regular Nike outlet prices are. Let's go see what's up. I have not seen this place with no additional discounts in like a long time, so it's going to be interesting. I'm so curious to see what I find. These Jordan Flight Club 91s, these aren't that bad. I would say this is one of the better non-retros. Probably because it looks like a retro, but like I meant one of the better non-signatures. Kind of looks like a 7 from the top. The bottom totally looks like a 6. But it's not that bad, you guys, not that bad. And it's still not, even without the additional discount, $70. Pretty reasonable. Black hats, have they been going down? 69. Yeah, they have been going down in price. Those aren't bad either for a non-signature. Got these Wisnards. I don't know why you would get this for retail when you can get a full box and everything. Weird. We've seen this in every video. Let's see what it's going for now. $120. Didn't it go down, or I don't know. They're cheaper at some place. So yeah, the Daybreaks going for $60. Man, I still like these, but $60, man. Those are always on sale on the weekends. We're gonna have to come back tomorrow or Friday when it goes back on sale so we can compare these prices. $100 for these Air Max, the 720s. These aren't as common here, but not bad. $100, not too shabby. That 30% off or 20% off would be hella useful though. Got a couple going for regular retail, man. And they can't sell these here. Seen these here for a while now. Wow, that's crazy. These were on sale all last weekend, and man, they still chilling. Look at that, still chilling. And the size 10s, Animal 3s, man, that's crazy. Got more. These are going for retail, so obviously these aren't going to sell until the sales go back on, but that's crazy. Same size, more Animal 3s. Okay, I guess that was mispriced for that other one, because yeah, I swear I saw them cheaper. But yeah, $100 for these clots. $100 for those two, no additional discount today. These Flight Posits, the Knicks colorway still going for $95. It's like dope finding these sneakers here, but without that 20%, it's not even a deal, man. Not even a deal. Look, there's multiple. I have to wait till Friday to get a deal on those. Kobe's going for retail, so not worth it. But that 20-30% off, that's totally worth it. See, these ain't bad. $70. These normally go for $130. The Odyssey Reacts. So that certain sneakers are still worth it, but not the super hyped ones. $100 for these Air Max 95s. We are in the size 10.5s. Like, these deals are kind of worth it, but you just need to find that gem, dude. You really need to look really hard to see if it's worth it at regular outlet prices. Black History Month still here, $129. Yeah, and then got the 312 next to it, still $90. Dang. See what, 95? These might be worth it. Air Max 95 go for $95. Oh, I'm sorry, Air Max 98 go for $95. So that might be worth it. Normally $160, so still get $60 off. Not as nice as an extra 20% off though, because that'd make it 50% off. We're in the size 11s. I'm just looking for unique sneakers now because there really aren't that many great deals. This is it's a hardcourt. It's something hardcourt. What the hell is this? Air Zoom Ultra Fly hardcourt. So this is for actual tennis. That's interesting. You don't really see tennis shoes per se too often. But yeah, that's interesting. Never seen those before. I've seen some of the hardcourt stuff, but not this one. The Vapor X and stuff like that. Yeah, that's what these go for. $100. Normally $230. Solid, decent deal. But you know these are gonna stick around until the weekends. These go for regular price, even though they're on sale on Nike.com. It's like $140 on Nike or something. Got a Jordan 1 low. Like, I don't know. Like, I would say this is totally worth it with 20-30% off, but not today. Got a little. What's it like? It looks like it's a nubuck. It looks like a synthetic nubuck though. It doesn't look like a. But they look dope though. All black. Can't go wrong with all black Jordan 1s. $90. I don't know if it's worth it for $90. Especially since it'll be here. Might have to check on those when they have their sale again. More fearless, but not worth it because it's going for. I'm walking around. I'm in the size 12. Not really finding much, you guys. Not really finding much at all. Didn't really find anything in the 11s, 11 and a halves. Kind of interesting seeing nothing on sale. Right when I was saying, hey, haven't found anything, like stuff like this, you know, but it's, you know, it's a solid price because it's $75 off. But the thing is, these are going to be available. They're going to sit around. Like nobody's jumping on these, so you're going to be able to find these even when it's 20 or 30% off on the weekends. Did find one thing, look, Jordan 33. It's a Michigan colorway. This is pretty dope. You got the Michigan logo on it and stuff. And they are one of the official sponsors for Michigan. Like that's one of their schools, so that's why they got the Michigan logo and stuff. Oh, I was like, does it look dirty? It does look like it's been worn a little bit, but yeah, not bad. What these going for? What are these going for? 85, not bad. You know, these normally went for like $180 or something. That's pretty solid. You know, that's something that actually might get taken. So if you need something like that, you need to pick it up ASAP. I was looking at the size 13s. They're really not much. Got a Ferrari here. This is definitely worth it with the 20 or 30%, but not for retail. Not really much in the size 13. Nothing worth copping at regular outlet prices, because we've kind of seen the regular price for most of those. But yeah, nothing worth really showing. We've seen these foam posits. They go for $110. Might be a solid deal. Because these might not last, especially at 20% off. You know the resale is going to jump on these, so not bad. We got the nice Nike SFB Field. I don't know, the real tree boots. I just call these the real tree boots. These, like, if you're in the winter climates, man, this might be a solid find. These normally go for, and they're Gore-tex and stuff too. Gore-tex stuff go for a hell of a lot of money. Yikes. Yeah, what the hell? Yeah, but these normally go for $200. Go for $115. Might be worth it without the discount. Might be one of the few finds here that's worth it. More LeBrons in the 9.5s that aren't worth it because they're going for retail. Worth it with the sale though. Look, someone's already returned one of these. Haven't even been able to do my review, but yeah, these already at the outlets. That's crazy, dude. That is crazy. This is definitely like if you come here Friday morning or even tomorrow, because they might have a sale tomorrow, might be worth getting for 20% off. Shit, that'd be what's. You might want to come to the outlets. They should be available on Thursday, so y'all want to hit the outlets up. This is size 8 clearance center. If you guys live in the LA area, totally worth it. I will still come out the review, you guys. I still haven't had a chance, man. I had to change my washer. I've had a lot of crap going on, so I haven't had a chance. But yeah, if you do get these, or if you already did buy them, or if you buy any PGs in the future, or the PG4s in the future, make sure you guys go hella big. A full size up. I usually wear 10, 10.5. I got a size 11, and it fits perfectly. And it's still snug, actually. Still quite snug. My brother-in-law got he usually fits a 9.5 and a 10. Yeah, 9.5 and 10. He bought the 10s, and the 10s are still snug, so I'm going to give him my 10.5, because I bought 2. So yeah, so make sure if you buy a PG4, make sure you get them hella big. Like, at least a half size, maybe a full size even bigger than normal. But yeah, dope. I'm a huge fan of those sneakers. Those of you that have been with my channel for a while, still here, you guys. This might make it the 1 year mark. A couple months, it might be a year that this has been here. Wow, that's crazy. And they increased the price back to $45. That's crazy. We've seen these as low as $17. All right, with the sneakers, they really don't got much, you guys. Really don't got much at all. Let's look at the apparel. Go see if they have anything worth the apparel section, you guys. I've never seen this before. Look at the actual price underneath. You can see it says 109 and then it says 134. It's actually more expensive than retail. I've never seen that. I'm gonna have to get a price check on this because there's no way this is going for 109. It feels super soft though, man. This is some grade A material, man. This is some dope stuff, and it's a size large. Let me get a price check, see what this is going for. This is a size small, but they got some apparel deals. 30 bucks, normally 75. Pretty cool sweatshirt. This is going for $100. This is an Olympic team. I'll bet you that there's some resale on this. I guarantee you there's a lot of resale on this thing. Let me look that up because I guarantee you. All right, there really isn't that much profit. These are selling for $150. Still not enough profit, guys. $150. They're going for $150 online. You can see right there. But yeah, if this goes on sale, this is definitely worth the cop. Or for personal use, man, this is dope because it's normally $250, over $250. Like, dang, that's what's up. That's a solid find. Team sweatshirts or team hoodies going for 30 bucks as opposed to 70. That's solid. Sweatshirts going for 20 bucks. LA Rams sweatshirt. But there aren't that many LA Rams, right? Yeah, go Niners. Go Niners. So $35, you guys. This is so worth $35. I just don't know if I want to buy another sweatshirt, but damn, this is so dope. Oh well, hopefully this scares people off and I can buy this in a couple days. So I'm looking around. They do have a Dia de los Muertos. It's a size small though. I'm sure they got more. Yeah, they go for $13, normally $35. So some of their apparel deals still worth it. Still worth it. Wow, that's surprising. I've never seen this shirt before. Look, it's we've seen that symbol. That's like a newer thing for this year. But look at the back. What the hell? It's like totally different material, like a jersey material in the back. That's just crazy. 25 bucks. 25 bucks. I don't know what normal it goes for. This is an extra large. But yeah, we found the matching pants. I actually saw these matching pants for this a while back. But 25 bucks? 25 bucks for these, dude. You know these go for a hell of a lot more than that. Team jacket. This is for the Cavs. 60 bucks. I don't know what the retail price. You know this goes for 100. This is just some solid material. Kind of like a jersey warm-up. Jersey material, but it's a warm-up jacket. But yeah, not bad. 60 bucks. Dry fit Seattle salute to service long sleeve shirts going for 20 bucks. 20 bucks. The salute to service usually ones go for a whole lot usually. Dang, not bad. What's up with all the Seattle gear here today? What the hell? A hoodie, 25 bucks. It's a medium. Oh, $29.99. It's a medium size. Soft as hell, man. Yeah. This is like one of their newer logos, the infused Jumpman and Nike Air. That's not bad. 35 bucks, normally 75. Like, apparently during the week, the apparel's the only stuff that's worth it. Damn. I've been looking for sweatpants forever. 35 bucks for these, normally $75. 75 bucks, man. I'm gonna come this weekend, and if they have some additional sales, I'm gonna be copying all kinds of apparel. Damn. These are just the softest and thickest fucking sweats I've ever seen, dude. They had these in a different color, man. Holy crap. And look at the price. Everybody's gonna be swayed off just because of the color, but 25 bucks, man. Super thick too. That's dope. Can't wait to find a different color of those. 50 bucks for these jerseys. Normally go for $120. Really, man? Really? Damn, man. Just gotta mess it up, huh? I was at a good flow too. Look at that. Oh, okay. All right, let's get back. Cool. Look at that, man. Dope jersey, man. And it's the pinstripes. But I noticed a while back, I didn't even look. Pinstripes even say Showtime. Showtime's 3x3. Made out of words. 3x5 times Showtime. Yeah, that's dope, man. So the pinstripes made out of words. I didn't even know that. That's dope. And it's only 50 bucks. Normally $120. That's solid. I guess, are these the Swingman version? I don't know. But I don't think these are the Authentics. These are like right below. Yeah, the Swingman jerseys, right below the Authentics. Solid price though. So you could get a LeBron jersey. So you could get a Kobe jersey, or you could waste your money on this ball jersey, man. Come on, dude. the hell are you guys doing here, dude? What the hell? You know ain't nobody paying 40 bucks for that. That's garbage, dude. More worthless jerseys, you guys. Paul George, number 13, with Oklahoma City, man. That's crazy. These are only a size small. They might have other sizes here, but look at this, the Kobe Bryant, the 24 ones. So what are you guys a fan of? Oh, dang. I rarely ever do this, but yeah, what are you guys a fan of? That one or that one? Which one, you guys? The 8 or the 24? 8 or the 24? Dang. I guess I go with the 24 just with the 8 just because that's my size. But if they had both sizes, which one's better, you guys? Which one is better? That's an excellent question. They are still available on Finish Line as of like 10 minutes ago. So 8, I think 8 and 8.5 are the only sizes available on Finish Line. So yeah, if you want them for retail, just go to Finish Line. Don't buy them here. Get them here after they go on sale. Hopefully tomorrow, Friday. All right, we're gonna wrap things up, you guys. Gonna wrap things up. Smash out. All right, so the question that went through my mind the entire time I was in there was, hey, is it worth it to go to the Nike outlet when there's no sale going on? Which is during the week. Like, pretty much during the weekend, almost every weekend they have a sale. So I'm trying to remember if I've seen a sale. If I've come here on the weekend and there hasn't been a sale, I'll say this entire year they haven't. But last year I don't remember that happening. So it's totally worth it on the weekends. During the weekdays, if there's no sale, I think it depends. Like with apparel, it's totally worth it because some of the apparel's not around, especially when things are on sale, and a lot of the apparel's not always on sale. So with certain apparel, I think it's worth it. That Lakers sweatshirt, I probably should have picked that up for 35 bucks off. Probably won't find it, and I'll probably regret not getting it. But yeah, I had to let it go. And that jersey, those jerseys, like they have plenty of them there, and there's not that much resale value because I've checked it in the past. So I think those are some cops. Like there are things worth getting, you guys, because the jerseys and the sweatshirts not always on sale. And if you don't get it now, you might not find it for another 6 months or until basketball season's over. So you never know. But yeah, so thanks for joining me until the end of the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was hella interesting it was hella interesting seeing stuff not on sale. So they're like outlet prices, but not ridiculous outlet prices. So that's interesting. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and make sure you press that like button. Make sure you guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead and press that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell as well. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. We'll actually see some deals hopefully in the next one. We'll see. Yeah, man. Let's go see what's up at Marshall's. See if they got anything to flip. Okay. That's crazy. It's crazy. First visit in like 3 months with no sales. That's crazy. Crazy.